friends, welcome to Mathematics. Today we will study how to multiply two numbers by taking a base. Okay, let's see. To multiply 107 into 109. Here the base is 100. 107 is how much more than 100? That is plus 7. 109, 100 plus 9. We take here plus 7. We take here plus. Okay. Then second step is we 100 plus 9, or you can add 100 plus 7 here. Okay. So 100 plus 9, that is 160. Write down 160 at this or either this. The result will be same, 160. In 100 there is 2 zeros, so we take 2 gap. This is the unit place, this is the 10th place. Okay, then multiply this plus 7 into plus 9, that is 7 9 ja 60. So the answer is 11663. Let's take another example. We multiply 998 into 995. Okay, here the base is 1000. 998, this is 2 less than 1000. We write a minus 2 here. This is 5 less, minus 5. Then we do the addition this way. 998 here plus minus 5, that is 998 minus 5, or you can do like this, 995 minus 2, that is 993. In 1000 there is 3 zeros, so we take 3 gap. Then multiply this multiply this 2, minus 2 into minus 5, that is 10, and write a 0. The answer is 993010. Let's take another example. What will be the result when multiply 97 into 106? 97. This is 3 less than 100. The base is 100. This is 6 more plus 6. Then as usual you can do 97 plus 6 or 106 minus 3, that is 103. You can do anyway. Then the base is 100, so there is 2 there. This is 9 minus 3 into 6, that is minus 80. So you cannot write here minus 80. Just put 20 minus 80. Okay. Then the answer is 2820. Okay. 1028. So we see when the base is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, the multiplication is so easy. But what about the other base? Let's take some example. 53 into 55. What will be the result? Take your base is 50. 53 is 50 plus 3. 55 is 50 plus 5. As usual, 53 plus 5, that is 50. Okay. See, when base is 50, we'll see how much is 100. How much time is 100 of 50? That is 50 into 2 is equal to 100. So we'll divide 2 here. 50 by 2, 2 ja, 2, 9 ja. That is 29. Then as we convert this 50 base to 100 base, we put 2 gap. Then as usual multiply this 3 into 5. 50. The answer is 2915. Let's take another example. 498 into 490. Okay. Here the base is 500. This is 500 minus 2. This is 500 minus 7. Okay. Then 493 minus 2. That is 491. Then is we convert this 500 base to 1000 base. 1000 is 2 times of 500. That is we divide 2 here. Then divide 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. Then we get some decimal number, decimal part. Do not put decimal here. Just as we have 1000 base, we put 3 gap. Here we write the decimal part. 2 5 ja 10. Then 1 0 10, 2 5 ja 10. Okay. Do not put decimal here. We write the decimal part in the gap. Then minus 2 into minus 7, that is 14. The answer is 245,514. Let's take another example. 117 into 128. See, we can take 125 as the base. So 107, 125 minus 8, 128, 125 plus 3. Then 117 plus 3, that is 120. Okay, 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. So to convert this into 1000 base, we divide this with 8. What is this? 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. Then we have 3 gap because we convert this into 1000 base. Then minus 8 plus 2, that is minus 20. You cannot write minus here, just put 30 minus 20. Two, 1. Okay. Then what if we multiply 311 into 308? Here 300 is the base. This is plus 11. This is plus 8. Okay. Then 311 plus 8. 319. The problem here is how much time is 1000 of 300? That is 1000 by 300. We divide this number with 1000 by 300, but we get a fractional number, not a whole number. Instead of doing this, just we multiply what? 300 by 1000. Just multiply 3 and put a point from the last one digit. Okay. So just do this. Do not divide. Multiply with 3 and divide this into 10. Okay. This is same as 1000 by 300 into 3 by 10. So what will the result? 957. But there is a 10 here. That is 957. As we know, we do not put point. We just fill the gap. This is what it is. The base is 1000 here. So put 7 here. 11 into 8. 80. Sorry. 95788. Then to multiply 37 into 49. Here the base is 40. 40 minus 3, 40 plus 9. That is 49 minus 3. That is 46. Then instead of dividing, just multiply with 40 by 100. That is 4 multiply 4 divided by 10. That is just put together 4 6 24 1 8. Then by 10 we can put point here, but the decimal portion fill the gap. 1 8 4 minus 3 into 9 minus 27. You cannot write minus 27 here. Just put 0 minus 27 3 1 1 8 1. So by taking any base, you can multiply any two closure number easily. Okay. Thank you.